What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test more very unique gadgets I found on Amazon. This one will not take out. Check this out, looks like a stick, but then if I pull at it, boom, we have right here fishing pliers. This is the Brantford, but what you do is pull it and you have right here a fishing pliers to take out the hook, to crimp the lead, fishing sinkers, and a cutter, line cutter, and there's a couple of other tools in here. I don't know if I could pull them out easily. There's a little piece, there you go. There's a can opener, like a screwdriver, little tools bottle opener, and then on this side we have something else. Let's see if I can open it. Kind of slightly difficult to open this stuff up. There you go. There's a little, like a grabber right here. Okay, now I know how to. So I'm not sure what this for, and a knife. But yeah, super cool, new, just found on Amazon, just got released. There's a Brantford. I love that. Another new Amazon multi-tool, or like more like a bead. There's extender in there too. So you have right here a bead driver, twist it, on which bead do you need, and take it out. You can remove one of this and then plug it in here, lock it so no more beads will come out, and then right here you have spin it. I wish there was like a ratchet motion to kind of like close it, kind of like screw it on and off, but this is awesome too. It spins, and also when you put it this way you have leverage now to tighten something up, so that's cool. And also you can have this extender in case there's something in a way, much longer. Spin it, close it, and I see we don't need a ratchet motion. It looks good. And then tighten it up with the leverage this way or this way. Pretty awesome. And then put it all away. Let's see which one did I take. This one. Slide it out, lock it. Beautiful. This is so cool. So many beads. What a great idea. Put it away in the pouch to protect it. Next tool have been making some moves. They have been making cool tools lately and very innovative. Kind of like a pry bar right here. And what's here? Ooh, it has a safety. It will not move unless you push this. And then what we have here? Can find. Okay, so just two. 1, 2. Push this way and it will open. Wow, and I remove the blade. That is amazing. 3 blades right here actually. So unique. This is cool. So, and then push this way and push it forward and release it. Go back and you have another one. Amazing. Remove it, flip it over. Let's see if I can do that. Yep. And now it says set if I want to flip it over. I can't believe Next Tools make such a unique, innovative pieces. Thumbs up for me. I got right here a couple of unique little lighters. Light it up forever much. And you can have it as a regular plasma light, or you can pull this out, light it up, put it away. That is unique. And also there's a flashlight. Then I hear another one. Let's see how this one does. Press this, plasma lighter, torch, lighter, flashlight. If you turn on flashlight, open it and close it like this, easy. Very cool. 43-piece multi-purpose ratchet set, found it on Amazon. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, have right here nice case. Okay, will it stay all together? Pretty durable. I like it. Oh yeah, magnetic, so quite nice. Sits in there, all of the things are really good. Okay, where is the bead driver? Whoa, check this out. So first of all, it's a bead driver. It is a screwdriver. Can go be a regular screwdriver. It could be with the tightening adjustment. the other way. Very cool. Does this one doesn't have a ratchet option. Ooh, it all comes off. Very cool. Oh, okay. Now we can extend it. Whoa. And we can have a regular screwdriver right here. Flip it over this way. Oh wow, that's better than I thought. We can make it shorter by just editing on a smaller piece, or we can just removing it all and just have it super little one, or having just one of them probably be slightly more comfortable. And look at all of the bits that if you don't want extended ones, that is quality. Wow. And then you can put leverage on it, or you can make it a regular screwdriver. That is awesome. That is super versatile. Magnetic. What else we have right here? I guess I want to see if I'm going to drop it, if piece is going to fall out or not. What's happening? There you go. It's tight fit in there. Alright, there's a puddle, all the bits. Only this piece will fall out. Look at it. Look how well it sits in there. So even if I drop it, all the pieces are going to sit in there. Good. Oh wow, I didn't even slide it in correctly. Only this piece might fall out, but very good and durable. What? Okay, this is kind of like tiny travel nail clippers. I love it because it's super small and super safe for traveling. Mr. Green Bone. And this is a perfect lighter, really good for survival kits because it doesn't take up much space, and it's like a miniature lighter, and it holds the lighter fluid really good. Almost forgot, look at this fidget spinner. Most useful fidget spinner. Why didn't I make it long time ago? I don't know. At least I never seen it. You got all these bits. That is actually removable too. Another next tool, multi-tool, very unique one. Look like a adjustable wrench this way. Oh wow, adjusting fast. What else is there? Knife, file, and two more things right here. Bottle opener, screwdriver, and flathead, and Phillips head. There's bits. Where do we put bits in? That's how it would go. That's pretty unique. Okay, I never seen that before. Put both of them out, lock it in, and have a screwdriver. I know, this is so unique. What a great idea. Next we have right here a utility bag that is open, so that way you can get whatever, and obviously you can adjust it and organize it, different things in there, so that way I can see. And this is the idea of it. I put a lot of stuff in there so that way you can see. You can add on anything you want to it. You can build a fishing kit, you can put in everyday carry things in there like emergency glasses. Luckily I don't need them yet. Just think of your imaginations. This is just for fun. There's a pouch you can put in there. So anything for fishing. You could put in first aid kit in here, hand warmers, so many things. You can put it onto a backpack or stuff it onto a back like this. So it's Lear Edition survival kit for your backpack. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.